The kettle hums a low and steady tune. The light is tracing patterns across the room. I used to rush to catch the morning sun, but now I let it find me when the night is done. There's a softness in the way the shadows fall, writing stories on the peeling paint upon the wall. And for the first time in a long, long while, I look into the mirror and I see a smile. And it's quiet, it's still, it's a long-awaited breath, like the ending of a winter, like a heart put to the